In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an alternating dumbbell chest fly. And what we're going to be doing is using a flat bench for this tutorial. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to pop the dumbbells that you're using on your knees. And once you've done that, you're then going to bring your elbows in, so lock them into the sides and come all the way back. Notice how my feet here are in a position where my knees are beyond the position of my feet. From here, both my elbows stay locked in as I press directly up, so vertically up. From this position, what I want you to do is keep the weights in line with your chest and not in line with your shoulder. So I've got a very slight bend of the elbow here. Notice how I come away from my body, but the other weight stays exactly where it is. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side and back up to my start position. Now let's go through this really slowly. So as that weight's coming down, I've got that slight bend in the elbow. The elbow comes just below the shoulder and then back up to the start position. Once you've then done your desired amount of repetitions, what you're going to do, so let's say this is my last repetition, is bring the elbows down and then sit up, bring the weights onto your quadriceps, so the front of your thigh, and then you can bring them down so you can return back to that floor position with the dumbbells. So that's how to do an alternating dumbbell chest fly, and you repeat that for your desired amount of repetitions. The added benefit of doing this would be you're working a little bit more core and stability work, because as one dumbbell is above your chest, the other's coming away from your body, and you've got to make sure you're stable, nice and straight when you're doing the exercise with your spine, and that does incorporate a little bit more abdominals.